Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make an origami Angry Bird. So this is a three-part series. I have three separate tutorials on them. So make sure you check them all out. The first one is Angry Bird Red, the other one is Chuck, and the third one is Piggy. This video is red only. But before we begin, be sure to leave the comment below letting me know what type of tutorial you would like to see next. And let's jump right in. To make an origami red, you are going to need a square sheet of paper. So first thing, you have to fold the square sheet of paper in half diagonally so that it form a triangle shape. After that, you have to align this tip to the top tip, so fold it diagonally and crease that in. Repeat the same thing on the left side, fold it diagonally and crease it in. And then for the next step, you are going to take this bottom tip and you are going to fold it upward as much as little you want. I tend to like to fold it up around an imaginary horizontal line right here. After that, you have to take this top layer and you are going to make this eyebrow. So you are going to flip it over and fold it back diagonally so that it forms this little triangle shape. Next, you have to repeat the same thing on the left side. Fold it down and diagonally so that it creates this triangle. And then next you have to take this tip and you are going to round it, show you to the fold it back. Repeat the same thing on the left side, fold it back. After that, you have to take this top tip and you have to fold it back as well so that it creates more of an overall circular shape. And next you are going to turn it to the side so that the top is facing us, and basically you just want to take these flaps and tuck it down into the middle. So I am going to take this one in the back, reverse it and tuck it in. And this just give it cleaner finish, and after that you are ready to decorate. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the other Angry Bird tutorial as well. I have 3 of them like I said before, and it's going to be in the video description, so check it out. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you like to see next and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.